Hi guys. My budgie seems to want to make a lot of noise right now, so I'm going to show you what he does, or she does, and let you watch. It is normal for budgies to do all sorts of different acrobatics, but mine's just strange. That's the cage I've got. It's 99 centimetres in height. And the budgie's just walking about. Hi, Yoda. Yoda, what you doing? What you doing? You talking to your friend? What do you call him? What do you call him? Oh, that's a lovely name. Hey, you play with your toy in your mirror. Hey, what doing? What you doing? Are you playing? Are you playing? You gonna tell me a story? You gonna tell me a story? Tell me a story. Hey, you wanna talk to me? Do some talking. Yeah, do some talking. My budgie doesn't actually react really much to whistling. It prefers bird song, like tweeting of birds, general stuff like that. If I do the live cameras on YouTube, which I've actually posted in my Facebook group, which is Miss Space and then Julie, that will usually work. Either that or just general music, but due to the fact of copyright, I can't play music in the background of this video. I have no idea what that budgie car is actually doing right now. It's just been strange. This is what I call acrobatics. We also call it spinning around. He's spinning around. Go on, you swing. Go on, you swing. You gonna swing? Hey, good boy. You gonna climb? Where's your friend? Hey, where's your friend? Hey, you're spinning around. What you doing, Yoda? You doing spinning around? If you want to see more of the videos of my bird doing its acrobatic stuff and doing things like that, we Yoda say follow. Yeah, follow. You might not have understood that, but he did say follow. It's just a bit hard to understand. You gotta say like, say follow, and then say come back for more. And follow Einstein. Yeah, Einstein the Texan the parrot. He's saying follow my friend Einstein. You don't understand what he's saying, but I know exactly what he just said. He's telling you to follow Texan the parrot, which is Einstein. I'll try and put the link in the description. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Say bye, Yoda. Say thank you for watching. You say bye. Yoda. He's deciding to play musical drums. bye. You don't want that lace. Bye bye.